Silver against US dollar this week has risen in value after the prices reached this support level here at 31.18. The price continued to rise in value for the 3 days. The price formed on a Wednesday, a bullish breakout indicating for a rise in value, but the price could not manage to continue to rise in value, but the price tried to move down in the next 2 days. We can see that, but the price could not close the candle day below this area of support, which is a great information for the bulls. And the weekly time frame shows us we are currently in the bullish candle. After the price has formed this strong bearish candle, the price formed a bullish candle, a reversal one. Now monthly time frame currently shows us that we are still in the bullish mode, so everything still bullish looks for the last 2 months, and also this month also looks bullish. Will that be continuing as a bullish? Well, we will see how the price will behave around this area of resistance, which is around 32.64. Now, until this month closes, we have several weeks, so I will not make any conclusions, but I have only one conclusion, and that is 31 around 60 is the resistance level that is preventing the price from reaching again 34.18. So we will see how the price will behave on the daily time frame, and we can see that it is currently in the bullish breakout, which has been confirmed. Based on this one on the daily time frame and everything suggesting that we could see the price reaching higher price levels, I am expecting that the price will continue to rise in value, reaching 33.11. It is the next resistance level and also the target that I am expecting for the price on the daily time frame. So for 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame during the week, I also shared with the traders inside the premium analysis all the breakouts that has been formed on the chart and where I am expecting the price will reach. For example, this bullish breakout has been shared with the traders inside the premium analysis where the target was here. And we can see the next candle reach this area of resistance, which is a profitable trade and also successful bullish breakout. These breakouts has been shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. So if you would like to receive these breakouts, feel free to join the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.